Welcome to another edition of Eric's Product Reviews. I am Eric, and today I'm excited to introduce to you this iPhone 13 Pro Max MagSafe vegan leather case with detachable wallet. Really awesome product by Vosku. We're going to unbox it, and then we're going to take a look at it in action, see it on my phone, and see all the MagSafe accessories in use. You can see it does come in this nice premium box. So very premium quality right from the beginning. Got your warranty card in there. We're going to set that off to the side. You can see we've got this nice sort of parchment paper with the Vosku logo on there to protect the case. We're going to take it out of there, and you can see you've got the nice logo right there. Immediately you can see the quality of this leather. This is vegan leather, looks really good, nice stitching, very premium material and great looking. Got magnetic clasp there that keeps this closed. We're going to open that up and take the styrofoam out. We'll take a quick look at the case without the phone, and then I'll put my phone in the case so we can see it in action. You immediately can see the ring where that magnetic ring is. This is a MagSafe compatible case. Nice suede inside material to keep your phone nice and safe when it's in the case. And then you've got your pockets over here for credit cards and for cash. And again, this does come off. This is magnetic, so when you need this and want this, you can throw it on there, but when you don't, easy to take off. So let's get my phone in here so we can take a look at this on my phone. Goes on the phone really nice and easy. And now that we got it on there, first let's take a look just at the case, and then we'll take a look at the wallet as well. But you can see, really beautiful case. I love this color, this blue. It's like a sort of a slate blue, I would say. It's got like a little bit of a grayish tone to it. Very nice blue. Now it does come in other colors. It comes in black, it comes in brown, and it comes in pink. So whatever color is your preference, you can get this case in any of the 4 colors. Let's take a look at the features of the case itself. It does have these nice aluminum buttons that are the same color as the case. So you can see nice blue aluminum buttons to match the color of the case. You get that on both sides, both for the power button and the volume rocker. And then you do have easy access to the vibrate. So you can easily put your phone in vibrate mode or in regular sound mode. Have that cut out. Down at the bottom here, you've got nice cutouts for your speaker grills as well as for your lightning port. Easy access there. You do have a raised bezel around the camera so that even if you sit your phone down on the back, your camera lenses will be protected. And then you have a nice slightly raised lip, as you can see there, just a slight raised lip above the face of the phone to help protect the front of your phone as well. So very premium quality vegan leather material. Feels nice in the hand just holding it. It's got a really nice feel to it. It's not slippery. It's got the grip that you would expect from leather. Again, this is vegan leather. And yeah, so excellent case. MagSafe compatible. So this will work with all your MagSafe devices. If you're using it in your car with a MagSafe car mount, it'll work with that. If you're using it with a bedside MagSafe mount, it'll work that way. It'll work with any MagSafe mount. Strong magnet, as you can see, so it's going to work. It's not going to fall off. It's going to stay attached because it does have a high quality magnetic ring built into it to make it fully MagSafe compatible. And then on top of all that, you've got this awesome detachable wallet accessory. Again, this has a magnet here so that when you want to use it, you just stick that in there. And as you can see, it's not going to fall out because it does have that strong magnet. So it's going to stay in there. But now you've got access to a wallet to have with you. So you can keep your credit cards in there. You can keep your cash in there. And when you close it, there's a magnetic closure to keep it nice and closed when you're not using it. And even when that's there, you can see you still have a little cutout here so you can hear through that speaker. You also, of course, still have the cutout here for your cameras. so that you can use the camera even when it's in the wallet case as well. Also, this wallet does have RFID blocking, so if you have credit cards or anything that has RFID chips inside there, they will not be readable through this case because this has RFID blocking. So really excellent premium feature for that as well. And you can see just a really beautiful case, nice stitching, looks good, great wallet case. But then those times when maybe you don't need the wallet, what's great is it just comes off. You can set that to the side and just have the phone in the phone case. Really great looking phone case. So if you're looking for an excellent iPhone 13 Pro Max MagSafe compatible leather case, then you should definitely check this case out, because not only are you getting that great leather case, but you're also getting this cool wallet, detachable wallet that you can use if you want to, but obviously no obligation to use it. You can use it, or you can set it to the side when you don't want to use it. That's just really what makes this case awesome. This is a really, really excellent case by Vosku. If you're looking for something like this, this is definitely a case that I would recommend. That's going to be it for this review. If you liked this review, please click that like button. If you know anyone who might be interested in the product, share the video with them. All those videos are down there. If you have any questions, post them in the comments below. I'll do my best to get back to you as quickly as I can. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, favorite this playlist, so you can keep up with future product reviews. That's going to be it until next time. So be safe and be happy.